Rigging and animating characters is actually a important part of Roblox games. Actually, um, if you don't have animated stuff, it just doesn't give you like the full experience of a game. So that's why I'll be animating stuff today and teaching how to rig your own model, so you don't have to use free models. Because to be honest with you, free models just don't work. The reason games work. Let's just go check out a game real quick. For instance, cat, knife. I don't remember what it's called. But yeah. So the reason cat. Oh man, I can't talk today. For instance, cat. I was playing this a few minutes ago because I got bored. The reason it works is because all of it just fits together. But using free models, they're just things that random people throw together. Oops. They're just things that random people throw together. That's the problem with the cat. Right, that's the problem with just free models in general. That's their issue. It's just something that, like, just someone modeler or whatever throws something together and doesn't even think about all the glitches it's gonna cause because they're not using it for their game. That's why making notes and stuff is the best way to go. And I'll be showing you how to rig models today. Like, rig literally anything as long as it's not so many parts that you'll never be able to do it. So this is how you rig a simple basic model. This isn't like R15 or nothing. This is literally you rig your own custom model. None of that stuff. So I'm rigging a tree because this tree is like gonna be a little like it's gonna be like a little tree person. Okay. Animate up. Do one last one. Also, I forgot to change this to a green material. That's not wood. Green. Don't union anything unless you want it all to be one part. I'm gonna turn this to sand because I think that makes it look not really, but it sort of. I don't know. It's in that cartoony look a little bit. Anyways, and we're gonna put some arms coming off the tree. You know, make him work hard on your character. You need a well-made player for your game. I'm gonna do like an R15 styled arm. Now, for instance, one instance of why you should union something is if it's like a hand and you want all to stay together. So for instance, this hand, I don't want it to fall apart. I want it all to be one piece, so I'm gonna make it actually look like he's making a fist or something. So I'll just make his fingers stick out a bit. I'm gonna stick him out. One. I'm only gonna have him have 3 fingers because almost every character in Roblox has only 3 fingers. We grab the whole thing and press Union. Make some little hand. We can duplicate it, and we can actually we want the whole arm. We want to duplicate the arm because we want these to be even, or else it's not gonna be this nice. Duplicate it, get right there. I'm gonna turn this twice and move it because too it's too close. There we go. That looks pretty good. Now we need to add a face because it's not a tree person. That's not a face. Okay, something's really wrong with me. Okay, there you go. What the heck? Wrong one. Okay. Okay, something's wrong with my scaling right now for some reason. Like, what does control do? Okay. I'm gonna make him have, like, big eyes. Sort of like what I'm doing right now. Make his eyes come out just a little bit. Make it black. And I'll duplicate it and do the same. Whoops. Duplicate it. Do the same for the other side. Man, he's actually looking pretty cool. Am I even record? Okay, I just want to make sure. Sometimes I'll end up noticing I didn't even start it. And boom, there goes a whole hour of time. Now this, I'm gonna actually union with the tree and create a couple more. Oh, right here, and they're gonna be like the lips. Essentially. I mean, no, that won't work. Never mind. Just leave it like that, yes. I'll make one right here. Duplicate it, move it down. And I'm gonna... Sorry about that. Actually, it looks really cool. Excuse me. Um, I was out doing work today and got a lot of dust today. So I'm having some issues. Duplicate this, and we did duplicate it. Just move it down enough. He's obviously not gonna have legs because he's a tree. I'm gonna turn the transfer into this to 1 and anchor it because that's the humanoid part. Now the worst part of all, naming. So just type in names for everything. So human root part. So we got the humanoid part. Really, really you can just name this anything, but it just makes it look a lot nicer if you name everything what they are. This could be his torso, and this can be called head. Well, actually, we'll just name this to leaves 1, leaves 2, leaves 2, and we'll name this one head because it's gonna be like the tippy top, so we're gonna name it head. Okay. Actually, I just thought of something. I'm actually gonna duplicate this because I'm gonna make him bend down so like if he wants to like look down at someone. I'm gonna name this to lower. Oops, I put a slash. Not that matters, but it just doesn't look nice. Okay, now I'm gonna keep naming everything. Once you're done, finish. So, upper left. Anyways, so name everything something. It doesn't have to be named correctly. You just name it something random as long as they're not the same. None of these parts can be the same name. Anyways, I'm gonna real quickly go ahead and pause it so you don't have to deal with the same into this. Already, I've named everything in him. As you see, everything has a name now, it's different. Now what you want to do next is grab the whole thing by holding down the left mouse button and dragging. Hold control and press G to group it and name it something. I'm just going to name it a tree. Now we need to add a humanoid. Actually, we don't need to add a humanoid yet. Now we just need to rig it real quick. Link in the description, hopefully, unless I can't find it. You need custom character creator. Okay, click on your character. Once you have the custom character creator, click on your character and click edit. And we're gonna bind things. Actually, wait, back. Before we start binding, check this, because this could mess you up bad and like you have to redo everything. Check on your humanoid part, go down to surface, which is the very last one, and click on front surface, and check where the front is. As you see, mine is backwards. Rotate it so the front is pointing forward. If you have to, you can even put a hinge on the front. Just make sure you turn it to like 0.9 so you can at least see the hinge. That doesn't look right. Let's keep it at 1 actually. Because you know trees don't have hinges sticking off them, so yeah. So yeah. Now we can click on it. We can continue with the custom character creator. Edit. I'm gonna bind the humanoid part to the lower torso, and then bind that. Just bind everything. Bind this there. You should not bind everything to everything. Make sure you go in order. Like for instance, for the arms, we go like this, this, this to this, this to this. Just don't forget when you find it. You don't want to bind everything twice and have to go through and release a bunch of them. And if you mess up, that's fine. Oh, another warning: do not press Control Z in this, because it will not delete your bindings. It will literally delete your whole, it'll delete every bind you've even added. So do not hold Control Z. Anyways, now we want to click on Edit, and we want to move everything until they're in the right proper joint position. As you can see, this one should be right here, and this one should be like, these are the joints where it's gonna rotate from. So get these in between each one. This goes from there to there, which means it's that. Leave the root joint though. Root joint stays. That's the one that goes from humanoid to there. Okay. Now we want to go from here to here. Okay, I think it's pretty self-explanatory. Just literally hook everything to where it's meant to go. Whoops, and don't forget these joints, 'cause everything has to be in an area at least. I'm actually gonna, actually I can get this done I can get this done quickly. I don't want to bore anyone. Just skip ahead if you don't want to watch this. But, okay, what's going on here? It like grabbed me the wrong one. What's this? This goes from there to the top. Oh, and my mouse ended again. Okay. Okay, maybe I can't get this done in a few minutes. And done. Nice. As you can see, it's finished. Now we can click back, finish, and now it's time to add a humanoid. As you can see, his name's above him now. And if we actually go in animation editor, X this out, we click on it, we are ready. As you see, this works. I should have made the arms a little shorter, actually. It's fine. This looks like how a stick tree thing would work. That's horrifying to me, like the way the arms are moving. Okay. He looks like he's a robot. He literally looks like a robot. Anyways, there you go. Animated tree. What I love about this is that I literally can animate his eyes. Uh-oh. Actually, when you're animating eyes, you just move them down like... So yeah, it's like you want to make him look left, he looks left. Like this. Open the mouth and close them. Everything. You can even rotate these to make a tree like have the breeze. There you go, that's how you animate parts. Make them dance. You can make them like hunch over and look at you like, hmm? You can make some pretty cool stuff. And as you see, it's animatable. I can animate this, no issue. I'm actually gonna animate him because I really like animating. But yeah. It's weird. Okay. But yeah, it looks like he's working. You can make anything rotate and if we look. To make loops, copy your first keyframe and put it at the very end and hit loop. Now he's looking up and down quickly. Cool. That's how you make characters. I think it's pretty simple. Also, if you click on the animation editor and it doesn't work with your model, make sure you set the primary part to what's it, humanoid root part. It's just best to do that. It looks like it works now because I didn't do that, but you used to have to or else it wouldn't work. That's it. That's it. How to rig models in Roblox. If you enjoyed it, then I'm happy that you enjoyed it. And if you really like my videos, then I'm happy that you really like my videos. Join my group. That's it.